Okay, good.
Okay,
we are very good. Okay, today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 14. Things people eat have names. People eat have names. Turn to page number 21. Page 21, page 21. Are you ready? Okay. Everyone sit straight and fold your arms. Your English grammar. English grammar. Page 21. Sit straight and fold your arms. Okay, good. Here we are going to learn about the names of fruits and vegetables. Okay, we are going to learn the names of fruits and vegetables. Can you see the picture here? There are the picture. There are the different pictures of different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Alright? In the first column, we are going to write the names of the food. And in the second column, we are going to write the names of the vegetables. Okay? So, keep your pencils, erasers down. In eraser, pencil is Miss Lau, and push your arms. The fruits and vegetables. What are fruits and vegetables? Oh, fruits. Vegetables. Fruits are funny. They have the taste of taste meaning fruit. What taste they have? Only fruit in empty meaning they have the taste of sweet or sour, right? Fruits too. Vegetables. What are the taste of vegetables? Vegetables in taste meaning it is tasteless. So, according to that, we are going to differentiate these pictures given here. Let's try the first one. Are you ready? Are you ready with your pencils? If pencil, show me your pencil. Show me your pencil. In pencil không có gọi là các một thể làm cho Okay, if we are ready, then let's start. Here is the first picture. What is this? Can you see? What is this? The first picture. A picture must. Orange. Is orange a fruit or vegetable?
Fruit.
Orange ถ้า fruit เนี่ย vegetable ค่ะ
Fruit.
fruit จิโร่ fruit หัว呀ค่ะนี่ orange ที่ค่ะอินเดียกันอ๋อ fruit หัวya orange ที่อินเดียกันค่ะ start with capital letter start with capital letter maintain your handwriting Ready? Say Tiana. Who tem? Good. How many of you have finished? Chúng ta tìm hiểu dấu tổ chiêu liên. Hàn bắt press xin tiểu. We invented it there. Good. Then the next one. And next part, em nghe lệ lệ hình đi. Đây nghe nắng lệ. Oh, spinach honey, you know. Spinach honey. Oh, at the next nan than H in part is there. Tập nan than quay than H in the zero input input M. This one the angam nan than in tập nan than spinach than H in the. Is a spinach vegetable or a fruit? Fruit yeah vegetable lah. Very choice and good girls. If we are vegetable, why are honey in Maintain your handwriting. You should write neat and carefully. That's all overall. How many of you have finished? How many of you have finished? 1, 2, 3. Some of your friends are still writing. So let's wait for them. Can we move on to the next? Right. Can you see this one? Mango is absolutely correct. Fruit nói là khanin. Mango cần giặc li ang. M-A-N-G-O mango. M-A-N-G-O mango. Good.
Mango.
M-A-N-G-O mango. Can we move on to the next? And go to M.
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. Next. Adot lian ha akha ni ke om ye khan en sin te ule. Next picture ha. Watermelon. Watermelon ka vegetable ni nge. Ha. Fruit ni zero. Okay, right. Watermelon. Fruit nói là ani watermelon cần giặc li ang. W-A-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Watermelon in A to M. 아니 왜 watermelon 하면서 좀 하게 인샤에 watermelon 하면서 좀 don't very good. Don't focus on A to M. How many of you have finished?
WATER water.
Okay, good. Let's move on to the next. Next 얘기 없다. Look at one. This one. Cherries, right? Cherries two. Cherry, you know. Cherries two. Cherry. Okay, write down CHERRIES. Cherries. Fruit 我呀看 cherries 很像的啊。Good. Let's wait for your friends. Don't forget to start every word with capital letter. Let's move on to the next one. This one. What is this? Brinjal. What is the name of the what do we call? I'm ready for the answer. What is the taste of the one Thai taste name? At home, me, I'll make it for. Oh, it has M. Brinjal, vegetables. Vegetables 我呀看见 Brinjal 这个很像的啊 BRINJAL Writing. Okay, are you done? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Brinjal จะมีค่ะ M เลยเดี๋ยวเรียก Brinjal ตัวเดียวจะมีค่ะ H ค่ะ Fish เนี่ยพูดแค่ vegetable นี่ค่ะ Good. And fish is a fruit, right? So, fruit 我要看你 fish คำนั้นจากเลยอ่ะ Good. Maybe the handwriting. You must read it. Good. Then let's move on to the next one. Anh ấy chào con cần cho lắm. Potato. Potato có fruit nha, vegetable nhỉ? Hả? Vegetable. Okay. Vegetable nói là kha đi. Potato có phần giác thì
P-A-T-O.
Potato cần sai. P-O-T-A-T-O potato. P-O-T-A-T-O potato. P-O-T-A-T-O potato. Okay, very good. Good. Okay, let's move on to the next. Potato bullshit. What is the next one? Apple. Everything is a right? Okay. Put why a card in apple can see Those who finish. Those who finish. Good. Okay, very good. Okay. Look at the next one. Look at the next one. This one. In who am? Grapes and you draw. Grapes, food. Is it grape or food or vegetable? Food. Okay, good. Right, grapes. Grapes. How's that going to G-R-A-P-E-S G-R-A-P-E-S grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S grapes. Grapes will chào thầy nghe liếc grapes chào kế bên gì làm tôi chưa nhìn cái gì em cái cần sợi đau nhiều khá anh chồng gì good wait là gì Di xuống very good. Di xuống khá tôi cực bé nhỉ. Tôi có cực sủa hàng quán kể cái nhỉ. Ô, kẻ bê khá bê khá tôi tập ra cái đó. B-A-B-B-A kẻ bê. Giờ cái mà rồi đấy. Tôi bị đi này Harry. Good. Maya, this is a good thing. What is the Maya in Good. Let's wait for your turn. Don't forget to practice calculator. Then you like and like your hand have you finished? Aya? Okay, let's go on to the next one. Next chapter is DEASP. Are we done? Result to end. Result to end. Okay, good. Let's move on. Is somebody still writing? Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one. What do we have next? Cucumber. 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 So vegetables vegetables
Cucumber. Okay, where you see? Look at the
good.
Miss, please, can you show your book?
Can you see it?
I have this, Miss. No, Miss. No,
Good. Okay, if you have finished, let's move on next. All right. Next, Tuanin, we have beans. B-E-A-N-S, beans. Beans 猪，你知道这种混 bean 跟这头你知道 So, a bean is a vegetable. Vegetables wala kani beans khajak le bole B-E-A-N-S, beans. B-E-A-N-S, beans. Good. Okay, very good. Let's wait for your friends. Some of them are still writing. And next, are we done? Hands out to em. Next Khan. Next Khan nghe khá. Hành em xin hiểu nhé. Fair. Fair. Chú thi đi chứ rồi. Fruit nói Hàn fair tận giác liang B E A R fair. Giác liang luôn nhé. Good. Let's wait for your friends.
Yes.
Can you see my book? Có lẽ cả bố hình hụt thèm.
Yes.
Okay. Next we have tomato. Tomato come as food. Tomato is a perfect fruit and vegetable, right? So we will consider as a vegetable here. All right? Tomato fruit
This cucumber fruit nila only.
vegetable so. Tomato here fruit
Vegetable store mo.
Oh, fruit tomato here a change on fruit and vegetable ponti bokadi. Oh, it is a common thing. Fruit and vegetable at the bokadi. That is one here vegetable and honey tomato kapan siya ka. T-O-M-A-T tomato. Good.
Miss Sawyer book.
Can you see?
Bilang radio lang.
Insult to M. Insult to M. Okay. Next we have onion. Onion too. Vegetable need to roll. Insult to onion. Onion. Onion ini kak. Vegetable nói honey onion kasi O-N-I-O-N onion. O-N-I-O-N onion. O-N-I-O-N onion. Okay, good. Next, we have lady's finger. Lady's finger, lady's finger, Oh, vegetable, lady's finger, Ladies finger kan vegetable kan ladies finger ha kan ziak le a. Are we done? Kan zau to em. Okay, good. Next we have pineapple. Pineapple tu ini kak. What is pineapple? A fruit, right? Pineapple fruit cherry. So fruit pineapple เขากันยากเลยอ่ะ And you see my book นี่มูเทมยันโอ Pineapple pineapple. Okay, are we done? Go to M. Okay. Keep your pencils down. Keep your pencil. Pencil ka dah, Charule. I'm going to say your homework. I'm going to do your homework. So listen to me carefully. You will collect this. This will be your homework. In homework ka taan chuanin. Hey, anak ni rong cek kan ni nak color. Oh, you will get this picture. It's here. Okay, good. You will collect this picture and you will read 3 times the image of all the fruits and vegetables. Alright? Kan siya siyang foodและ vegetables ว่า spelling เนี่ยด้วยคุณเตอร์กันเลิกใช้ชอกันอ้อตอนนี้จะมีอัปเดตเชิญกันเลิกกันเด็กของอันสามมีของเชอรี่ Is that okay? Okay, good. That's all for today and have a nice day. Alright? Bye-bye.
Bye bye.